So my welding cord is loose in the plug here. I don't know if you can see that going in and out, but I don't like anything that's 240 volt being loose. So we're gonna open this up and come up with a shim that makes it tight, like this side here. See, this side here has another rubber in there that keeps it tight. So with that said, we're gonna go ahead and pop her open. It does have a rubber, it just doesn't grip down tight enough. And like I said, I'm only using this on a 30 amp setup, even though this plug is rated for a little more than that, I believe. This is rated for 30 or 50, 250 volts. Okay, so I don't have a piece of hose or a bushing that I can use that'll fit over this and fit in here. So we're gonna make some out of some heat shrink. I'm gonna take a few pieces of heat shrink that shrink up the size of the pipe there, cover it up a few times and make it solid. The heat shrink has a glue to it also when it heats up, so it sticks to the conduit or pipe or anything else real well. Helps strengthen the bond. When we do laser this, it should be more efficient for what we're trying to do. always like to pull on them, make sure they can't come out of the contactor. Put this in just a little, so I know I have some grip on it. Where we want it, and then I'm gonna tighten it down. Yeah, I got it right there. It's not moving around now. Nice. This kind of stuff makes you nervous, don't do it. But you take your time, do a little light reading or something about electrical. It's not that hard. Can it be dangerous? Yes, it can. I've been trained to do some of this over the years by various electricians. And I've repaired stuff for many, many years.